Hello and welcome back everyone to another exciting video where we are going to talk about Midjourney prompts and how to create different kind of images. And of course, these are not some ordinary images. These are great, fantastic images which belong to all different genres and all the different types that you can pretty much imagine. So here in this particular video, we're going to focus on not so realistic images, but we're going to focus on enemy characters. And you can just think of this video as very much dedicated to the enemy fans. I have been an enemy fan myself, but I'm not into this anymore. So um, we are not going to waste much more time here due to avoid the length of this video. We're going to jump straight into the action. And without further ado, so let's see what we can actually produce with Midjourney and play around with the prompts to see if we can get anything close to what can be called a good enemy art. So we are going to start with our prompt here, and let's say if I just repeat that American woman prompt in her 20s, and I'm not gonna say hyper realistic this time. Woman has black hair, and the trick to creating enemy characters is to just put that little command in front of your prompt before finishing it. So I'll just say Niji, which is some sort of Japanese version of um, enemy or characters or something. So I don't know about it. So I'm going to let Midjourney produce what it has for me. Let's see if it does something. So we're gonna keep our fingers crossed here. We're gonna see if it comes up with anything. Okay. Very fast and fascinating at the same time. Cool. Yep, we have this. We have this enemy art. And look at how the prompts have changed. Oh goodness, yeah, pretty amazing. All right, so we are, in fact, this actually this actually motivates me to probably create a more complex scene. So I'm going to bring our friend ChatGPT here, and we are going to create an enemy scene where we want a warrior kind of woman who is fighting in some kind of a battlefield, right? So it's typical anime style. But let's see. So uh so write a prompt here for me. So maybe let's see, write a prompt here for me to train an AI. Um, what should I say? What should I type here? Write a prompt for me to train an AI to create an image of a woman fighting in the battlefield. Oh, come on. The modern tech. Smoke and debris in the background. So let's see. Huh. Okay. Yeah. So we're gonna copy it from here without reading much of it. Um, but yeah, we should actually. The woman should be equipped with the latest weapon and technology, and the scene should be dynamic and engaging. Okay. Let's see here. I'm gonna just put that aside and go back to Midjourney and see if we can get something out of here. Create an image of a woman engaged in a combat on modern battlefield. The image should convey the intensity of the conflict. Oh yeah, for sure. Why not? And we are going to type Niji to see if we can come up with some kind of enemy art, which is cool enough. In the meanwhile, let's also think about something else. Maybe we can test some of our previous prompts or not. Well, we'll decide after what comes up in this. Okay, not so bad, I should say. Ooh, yeah, let's see if we can upscale maybe any one of them. So yeah, it's fast moving action anyways. So let's actually upscale the version 4. Let's do that. And in the meanwhile, we can probably write here another prompt of like the girl in her 20s walking in a field of flowers, a little bit less intense, flowers with snowflakes flying around her, and then we're gonna do an EG on that. So we're gonna type an EG, and let's see if we can come up with something. So let's see what we have here. Yeah, it is not bad actually, but we're gonna let it go and see if we can come up with something special. Maybe something a bit cooler. So we're gonna wait for that. It's gonna come up hopefully now. And yeah, why not? Not bad, not bad. And we're gonna test all of these images. So let's actually start from upscaling too. I like the colors and the blue and the stuff that is just in the foreground and in the background. Let's see. Let's see if it comes up with anything else. So how does it upscale it? So 60%. And by the way, while we are actually rolling this one out, um, Midjourney has recently announced that they have launched or they are ready to launch version 5 of Midjourney, and we cannot wait for that. It's super realistic, and probably I'm going to make another video on Midjourney version 5, which is going to just show the strength of this new model that they're coming up with. So that's definitely going to be something worth watching. This is not bad at all. So we're gonna do a light upscale redo. And we're gonna wait for that. See what it comes up with. Okay. Probably I've been quiet for too long, right? So it's taking a while. So we're gonna let it roll. And I'm not sure why it's getting slow. Maybe it's due to the number of users. It never used to take that long. But it's recently I've noticed that Midjourney has gotten slow for me. I'm not sure if anybody else is actually experiencing the same thing. Okay. What do we have here? Not something bad, but let's actually see if we have anything else. Maybe we would want to upscale 3 as well. And make variations of the first one. And I was thinking of just not just having some changing this prompt somewhere. A girl in her 20s walking in a field of flowers with snowflakes flying around her. It's Niji, and probably just before that actually. So I wanted to add resolution of 3:2 and submit that. So yeah, so we're gonna come up with some more versions. And oh my goodness, this one is also not so bad, right? Wow, pretty nice. Nice. Yeah, very realistic art. Like that one. Definitely like that one. Yeah, we're gonna upscale that. And what do we have here? Yeah, but it is kind of screwed up the image. So this one looks to be more clear. 50%, 57%, 64%. Okay, what's the difference between this one? I like the hair on this one. So, but let's see if anything comes, if anything changes, or is this one better? 78%, 85, taking a while. Interesting. Okay, still loading. Hmm. Thank you very much, sir. Took a while. Let's see. No, I think I like the hair of this one. Yeah, this one looks good. This one looks acceptable, I think, with all the foreground and the background and the kind of mixture that we have here. But but the concept that I wanted to explain in this video is the new prompt that Midjourney has introduced, the new command that Midjourney has introduced. So in order to create any sort of enemy art that you might want to generate through Midjourney, you just have to type Niji at the end of the prompt, and you're going to come up with this whole new, brand new thing, which is going to be, you know, it's definitely mind blowing at the same time. And just to test one more prompt here, so we're going to imagine I'm still a Robotech fan. Robotech Mecha with Scott. I think I remember the name of the hero with Scott on in with one of his planes, and I'm going to type Niji, and I'm going to give it an AR of 3:2, and let's see what we come up with here. So we'll just wait for a few. Let's see. One thing you notice here is that so how much Midjourney has evolved from version 1, 2, 3, and the fourth one. So you can just imagine that we have to write shorter prompts. There's definitely a formula which is coming up, and so we probably can follow a pattern and produce all different kind of prompts. Maybe worth doing a video again to show how ChatGPT and Midjourney can actually work together in that case. Okay, so yeah, not bad. I mean, I like this one. So just though I'll just not use that. But good stuff here. So we are going to stop here, and this video was just a shorter version of what we probably could have done and in just more detail. So we're gonna stop here, and I hope that you get the concept. Typing Niji is going to do wonders, and if you are enemy lover and you want to create enemy art of any kind, so I'm going to let you leave to your imagination. And again, before heading out, Thank you very much for all the support that you guys are providing so far, and you are just following me, and I just appreciate all the input that I received from you. Thank you very much for all the positive feedback and all the all the tips that you guys are sharing with me. So we'll meet again. Until next time.